Pantographs are current collectors that transfer the electricity from the catenary to the train motor. The sliding strip creates the electrical contact to the catenary wire. A pantograph spring system ensures permanent contact at any speed. Even at speeds greater than 400 km per hour, the high-speed pantograph by shunt guarantees uninterrupted electric current transfer. The sliding strip performs an important function. As it is pressed against the catenary, it ensures electric current transfer. Strong frictional forces take effect here on the sliding strip and the catenary line. Shunt has designed the structure and the material of the current collectors and sliding strips such that the sliding strip and the conducting wire are subject to a very low level of wear. Shunt developed an innovative solution for monitoring the sliding contacts of rail vehicles from a central location, intelligent carbon for pantographs. The measurement of sliding strip wear is automated so that it is easy to determine when they should be replaced. This is Shunt's contribution to optimum maintenance intervals. That means fewer visual checks and lower costs. The advantages of shunt current collectors and sliding contacts are obvious: the highest degree of operational safety, outstanding resilience, long service life, easy maintenance, and environmental compatibility. And our success speaks for itself. Shunt is the world's leading manufacturer of carbon sliding strips.